To create a folder, one way is to select and right click, select new, then folder. Here it is. Now you have to give a name. To rename a folder, right click the folder, then select rename. To delete a folder, select the folder and right click, then delete. If you delete a folder, you are also deleting everything inside that folder. Now I'm going to show you how to move files into folders. You can do it one of three ways. The first way is to simply select your file and drag it into the folder. For example, like this. The second way is to copy and paste. When you copy and paste the file, you leave one copy in its original location and then put another copy into the second location. So here I'm going to right click, copy, and right click the folder and paste. Now there's a copy inside this folder and there's another copy in its original place. The third way is to cut and paste. When you cut and paste, you remove the file from its original location and put it into a new folder. So here I'm going to right click, cut, select, right click the folder, then paste. You can see the file is no longer in its original place. So I'm going to open the folder. You will see only 3 files are here. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video.